everyone, I'm Vina and I am back today with another video. Today I'm going to talk about networking. As an international student, I know firsthand how challenging it can be to build connections in a new country. Moving to a new country, it's a very exciting experience, don't get me wrong on that, but when it comes to building your career from scratch, it is a bit overwhelming, to be honest with you, and it is a bit lonely and frustrating and very hard. Building connections anywhere can be a little bit of work, but when you're in a new country, you got to do that from scratch. When you're in your own country, it's a bit more simpler, I want to say. And as an international student, I personally had a hard time finding my place in the industry and also in the university community. I did not know that many people in my field, and I felt kind of lost and isolated, to be honest. But then I discovered the power of networking. I joined events, social organizations, coffee chats, I went to workshops and seminars, and this is how I built a supportive group of individuals that really helped me navigate my way through the industry and to kind of find my career path. So that is why I am very, very excited to share with you 6 tips that helped me build my network of folks. And these are tips that are coming from my personal experience and also some tips that I gathered from my friends who are also international folks, and it really helped them to become these successful people that they are right now. So without further ado, let's get into 6 tips to help you build your network. Number 1, attend career fairs. Career fairs are super fun and exciting events where companies come together to showcase their organizations and to recruit potential employees. But they're not the only events out there. There are also industry conferences and seminars where you can learn about the latest trends and also meet professionals in your field. Attending these events can help you make valuable connections and learn about the different job opportunities that there are out there in your field. Number 2, join student orgs. Student orgs related to your field are fantastic places to meet like-minded individuals that are in the same shoes as you are in one place. These organizations hold events and also activities like guest lectures, workshops, seminars, gatherings, etc. And these are great ways to kind of hear and learn about different people's experiences and building your connections. Building connections are not only for people who are actually working in industries right now, it's also with people who are in the same place as you are at this point. Number 3, attend workshops and seminars. Workshops and seminars are amazing opportunities, you guys, to learn about new skills and stay up to date with the latest trends that are going on in your field. These events are often free and they're organized by universities or like industry associations or private companies. Attending these events can be very, very helpful for you to update your knowledge, right? And meet other people in your field. Number 4, use social media, you guys. LinkedIn is the platform to network with professionals. You can use LinkedIn to create your own professional profile, right? And connect with other people who are, in the same field as you are. Join groups related to your industry. Join in the discussions. Be active. Reach out to people, schedule informational interviews with folks, and then make valuable connections. Number 5, reach out to your university's alumni group. Many universities have a alumni directory or alumni group on LinkedIn or other social media, and they're a powerful way to make connections. You can start checking your university's alumni directory right now and then just find people who are in the industry that you want to be in, or they have job titles related to what you want to be. Be very respectful when you're reaching out to these folks, and schedule informational interviews and then ask them about what they're doing and what is a career path that could be a successful one for you. Number 6, volunteer. Volunteering for industry events and organizations is an awesome way to build connections and to build up your skills. You can volunteer at events like industry conferences, trade shows, even charity. Volunteering shows your commitment to your industry, and it can also help you stand out to potential employers. It's also a great way to meet new people and make valuable connections. So there you have it, you guys, 6 tips that will help you get started with networking as an international student. Remember, networking is all about building humane relationships. So first of all, it's that human-to-human social relationship, right? Make sure that you stay engaged. Don't only reach out to that person for a first time network and then just forget about it. Keep engaged, keep expanding your network, and that's it. Good luck out there.